Welcome everybody to another 360 adventure. This time, we're at Disney World's Winter Summerland Mini Golf. And now for some family rules. The winner of each hole gets 1 point. No points are given if the hole is tied. The person with the most points wins. Plus, we have a couple other rules, but we won't get into that. As of now, here is the score. Now let's get into it.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. The big loop, the bulk of rope.
Nice.
Oh, that was a close all-in-one opportunity.
You got hit from there.
Nice. The whole one. Did you get it?
Wait, right over.
Oh. Okay. Who's the ball with that? Come on, get it in for two. Get it. Oh.
I can try and get you in for one day.
Or at least it's gonna go again. Whoa! Oh! Whoa!
Yeah. I snap. You have to hit it harder. Yeah. That's it. That's what you're supposed to do.
Tap her in.
For free.
Right.
Nice spot. No. Go ahead.
Great. So you can win this hole.
Yeah.
This could be a big win for Nan.
Pressure.
Ah! It's another hole.
The last one hit.